good, yo. Hard Rock Casino and Hotel, right? Valet 50, what? Kiss my ass for $50 for parking. So it's a Hard Rock Casino, and it looks pretty.
We're trying to give you y'all space.
All right.
So yeah, she handed us like tarot reading card, and then she's like,
Huh?
Go.
strong cigarette.
All right, so we're at the Hard Rock Casino. First night in Fort Lauderdale at the Hard Rock Casino. So we'll check it out and see what's going on. It looks busy. On a Tuesday night, it is busy. Don't worry, you look good, yo. All right, so all the gold records and stuff on the wall here. Pretty iconic. That's what it looks like. Oasis Tower. What's that? A hotel? Guitar Hotel, Beach Club. Let's walk this way. Was that Madonna? Oh, it's quiet over here.
This girl don't go far. I gotta start doing this. Hey, Lester.
Or still in the Hard Rock Casino. You got nightclub here, little bar, everything here. Lots to do in this casino, huh? You could stay like a day or two and not even leave. Everything's there. All right, going for a nighttime walk in Fort Lauderdale. See what's up. Let me get some tacos. It's quiet in this hood. The hood I picked for Airbnb is called Wilton Manors. I didn't know till afterwards that someone told me it's a gay area. You know what I'm saying? But I see a lot of black people around here still, and they don't look gay. So it's a chill hood. Actually, there's a spot where I'm staying. This looks like the spot. So, what's going on? This is Dos Serranos Tacos right here.
Yeah, we're open.
You are? Oh, you doing it right here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see the menu.
The menu?
Yeah, you have
It's on
one.
the side right here.
Okay. All right, so it's a truck. I didn't even know that. All right. Chicken steak. All right, all right. All right, let me get one chicken and one steak, bro. That's cool? All right. Are you related to that place? Like, can I eat my tacos in there? All right, all right. All right, I got one chicken, one steak taco. I'm gonna go in there after. Let me check this place out.
So I moved here for that, and then I did it for 3 years, and then
What's this? Oh, vapes. Everywhere in Fort Lauderdale, I've seen vapes. Vapes. Looks like a nightclub or something. I'm gonna go there and get my tacos back. What's going on? You know, I've never tried Shishaa. It's like a game called beer pong or something like that. Shit, I wonder if I should have got 3 tacos instead of 2. You know, it's taking long to make these 2 tacos. I eat this, I know it's good. I don't want to wait another 10 minutes for a 3rd taco. So. All right, thanks. It's all good.
There's some right here, all right?
What you say?
You want any sauces? There's some right
Yeah, you have that. Oh, in the front? All right, looks good. Okay. You have
The blanco sauce is really good for this.
Which one?
The roasted garlic sauce.
Okay, cool. This one, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, crap.